record. Okay, so today we are going to see the topic of dielectric and polarization.
Polarization.
Okay. Do you have dielectric?
Polarization.
Polarization. कहीं पे Z होगा कहीं पे S होगा, there is no issue. Okay, fine. So in the chapter 1 of this charge and electricity or electrostatic charge, we have seen that we were having one sphere, we were having another sphere,
Yes, sir.
right? And we have kept in touch, right? These both were in contact.
Yes.
We have placed the source of positive charge, right? Positive charge, and this was actually metal sphere, right? Metal
Yes,
sphere.
sir.
So what we could say is that this metal was having electrons, that is free electrons. We call them as free electrons.
Free electrons.
And these electrons, right, are getting
Yes, sir.
attracted, right? So they are getting attracted because of the positive charge on the outer side,
Yes, sir.
right? And remember that we have not touched, there is no physical contact between that left hand side pen having positive charge and the metallic sphere having the free electrons.
Yes, sir.
Now once these electrons are getting attracted, right, so we have seen that all these electrons, right, we have shown it somewhat this way. So negative charge are accommodated on the extreme left,
Yes,
and
sir.
electron jahan se nikal gaya, right, the electrons which has left its place, that
Yes,
surface
sir.
is getting, or that place is getting a positive charge,
Charge.
right? Now because there is now the question is that why this negative is over here and the positive is over here. That is because
Because of the positive charge
yes,
induced. Yes, sir.
yes, positive and the negative charge. It is not
Negative charge.
right now, no, right now it is not called the induced charge, right?
Yes, sir.
It is only called that the charges are attracted, right? So that means positive charge over here and the negative charge on the metal sphere,
Metal.
these two are getting attractive force among each other, right? Okay. And if you talk about the positive charge here and the positive charge here, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
I say that this positive charge wants to come over here, what will happen? That the positive charge on this pen, right here,
Yes, sir.
it will repel it, because positive and positive, they are going to repel each other. So
Repel
that's
each
why
other.
this positive charge on the extreme right, they cannot come on the extreme left, right?
Yes, sir.
That is one thing. Okay. So because of this, right, because of this like charges and unlike charges, this distribution is there. Now if
Yes,
we
sir.
separate it, right, now what we are doing is that we are separating these two charges with some distance. Okay.
Yes.
So what happens is that this negative charge is over here, positive charge is
This
over
is
here,
here.
and we have not removed this external source of positive charge. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we do is we remove this. We are removing this external charge, right?
External charge.
Fine. So I remove this. So now what will happen? That this, because there is no external force, now external
Yes, sir.
force is absent, right? So
Absent.
now these electrons will not be having the attractive force between this positive and the negative one, right?
Yes, sir.
So these negative electrons, now they will be attracted towards the positive charge
Positive charge.
on the second
Another.
surface. Okay. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
second thing, these two are not in physical contact anymore.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So over here, now there is only attraction. There is only attraction between these two. Okay. So because there is no physical contact, right? There is no physical contact. So that means the charge cannot jump from left body to right body, or the right body to the left body. Okay. Fine. So that means because there is an attractive force, but if there is an attractive force, I can say that this negative charge will move and they will get accommodated on this surface,
Yes,
and positive will come over here.
this
Right?
surface. Yes.
Fine. Now, okay. Now, if I increase more distance, right? If I increase it more with a larger distance, right? This
Yes, sir.
force of attraction is getting nullified because we know that according to the Coulomb law, right?
Distance. Yes, sir.
F is
Is universally
proportional to 1
proportional to 1 by
upon r
r
square.
square. So distance.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So
Okay,
that
sir.
means these electrons, right, on the extreme right of this first surface,
Yes, sir.
right, they are not going to face any positive or attractive force, right? And the positive charge won't be having any force because of electron.
Electric force.
So they will repel among each other. They will repel among each other,
Each
right?
other.
Because if I just consider this first one, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
means this इसके लिए अब यही दुनिया होगी, right? So
Yes, sir.
negative charge, the first box is having its own world. That means
Onward.
they are going to fight among each other. They are going to repel among each other, right?
Yes, sir.
And they will get like they will fight with each other, and they will redistribute in such a way that the distance between them or the force between
Yes, sir.
them, right, is the minimum.
Minimum.
Okay, that means, and that is called as the equilibrium condition. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, that will happen on the right hand side. This
Yes.
process is called as induction of charge. So you can say that without exchange of any charge, right, from the external pen, right, positive
sir.
charge pen, right, we have now created two surfaces. One is negative surface and second
Yes,
is
another
positive
is
surface.
positive surface.
Okay, this is one thing. Okay, so let's move ahead. So we are talking about dielectric. Okay, the word itself says dielectric. That means die means two. Die, that means two. Okay, that means there are two charges, plus and charge,
Yes, sir.
plus and minus.
Minus, sir.
Fine. Okay. So in the earlier one, what we have shown is that negative and positive.
And
Right?
positive.
There.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. So this was actually induction of charge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, let's say you have a body. You have a body. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I say that there is a positive charge and a negative charge, okay, just superimposing each other. Okay,
sir.
just superimposing each other.
Each other.
Okay, fine. So that means what I will say is that distance between positive and negative charges,
Yes, sir.
right? Distance between the positive charge and the
Positive and
negative charge is
negative
zero.
is 0.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
And how do you define electric dipole? Right, dipole, that means you say you have a
Between
positive charge
minus and positive
and
and
you have a negative charge.
negative charge and separated by
Okay,
distance 2a.
right. It is not two-way, whatever. In
Okay,
text,
sir.
it is given two-way, right? You can have D, you can have R, whatever. Okay. For
Okay.
simplicity, we have given at two-way.
2a.
Fine. Okay. So I say that if I have a separation of charge, right, by a
Yes, sir.
particular distance, suppose this distance is D, or
Yes,
say
sir.
A, whatever you want to say.
Okay,
So
sir.
that means this system is what I call this as dipole. I call
Dipole.
this as dipole.
Dipole.
Okay, that means right, two charges separated by a distance of D.
D.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is the direction of electric field? It is always from positive to negative. Fine. So let's consider again the first example, that two spheres, right? Two spheres, right? Here we were having the external source, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So you have positive charge over here. Now we know that if there is a source of positive charge, electric field are always radiated this way. I will change the color. Electric field are always
sir.
radiated from plus to
Usually outward.
minus, or plus
That's
outward, right? From positive
Yes,
direction.
sir.
Okay, fine. So I know that my electric field direction is from left to right. So I will just
Left
draw
to
it
right.
over here. Right? So this is my external field. I say E0. Okay, fine. And what was the final configuration that we could see is that negative charge was over here and positive charge was over here. Right? Now, can I
Yes,
also say that this system is also behaving as a dipole? Because there is a separation of plus and minus.
Yes, sir. Plus and minus.
Right? Plus and minus. Okay, fine. So if I consider this, what is the direction of electric field? It is from inside this body. It will be from plus to minus. That means
Plus to
right to
minus.
left,
Right to left.
right to left. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this was a conductor, right? We have taken this as a metallic sphere.
Metallic sphere.
Okay, fine. So in this case, what I will say is that electric field is acting in this direction and
Yes.
the induced electric field because of the dipole, right?
In
That is acting on the left hand side.
left side.
Okay. In both the case, you will say it is acting from plus to minus direction.
Minus.
Okay, fine. So let's move ahead. What will happen slowly and slowly, right?
Yes.
That the force will try to balance each other, right? Because
Yes,
there is
sir.
always a rule that all the system in the universe, they try to come to their least excited state. That means they want to come to the most stable state. Okay. So in conductor, what will happen? I say that this blue color is the electric field due to dipole. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So both are in the opposite direction. External field is on the right hand side, and the induced dipole electric field is towards the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And fine. So initially what happens, that charge is getting separated slowly and slowly,
Slowly.
right? So that means there is change in electric field.
Yes,
But
sir.
after certain time period, a static situation will be generated where this ED will be equal to E0, or you say
Okay,
that
sir.
ED will be equal to minus of E0, right?
Because
E0,
of the opposite
or
direction.
I can write it this way also: ED plus E0 is equal to 0,
Yeah.
right? That means both are in the opposite direction, equal and
Yes, sir.
opposite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this was the case of what? This was the case of a conductor. Okay.
Conductor.
So now now let's talk about a normal material. Okay. Fine. So I've given the example that you have plus and minus, both are at the same place,
Yes, sir.
right? So that means there is no separation between
No
them.
separation between
So
them.
say that dipole is 0, or I will say that dipole strength,
Dipole strength.
right? That is equal to 0. So basically you say that is Q into D,
Yes, sir.
right? Because D is equal to 0 over here,
Zero.
I will get this value as 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now I say fine, plus and minus. Now what I do is I place this in an external electric field. Hello?
Sir.
Yes. Yes. So what we do is that we are placing this in an external electric field. Fine.
Field.
So what do we expect now? That if you have this external electric field, so let's say
Field.
that we are having this electric field this way, right? Left to right.
Left to the.
Okay. Now what will happen? That electric field is there, that means external source will be having a positive charge this way, right?
Yes,
That means
sir.
this positive charge is over here. I can say it this way: positive charge is lying over here,
Yes, sir.
right? Then only it will from positive towards the outer side, right? So I say positive to right hand side.
Positive.
Okay, fine. So let's make it more clear. So I have plus and minus over here,
Yes.
plus and minus. I will change the color this way. Fine. And now you have this blue color as the electric field. Okay. Now what will happen? Because this is an electric field, that means over here I will be having a positive charge.
Yes, sir.
Now this positive charge will apply a force of attraction on whom? On the red one or the black one?
Yes, sir.
It is going to apply a force of attraction on the black one, because
Black one.
positive and negative will attract, right? Right.
Okay, sir.
So what will happen, that after this applying of electric field, the situation will change. The situation will change.
Will change.
It will become this way, and you will have a negative charge over here and the positive
And
charge
positive
over
charge
here,
will- yeah.
right? Why?
Okay, sir.
Because this positive has now attracted the negative one,
Negative one.
right? So it has
Yes, sir.
now changed the complete orientation, right? It has changed the entire
Complete.
orientation
System.
of the system.
System.
Okay. Or basically, this is called as stretching. You can say it is stretching.
Okay.
Right? Fine. Okay. It is simple. Like if you have elastic, right? If you have
Yes.
a rubber, if you pull it, right? So it will extend towards you, right? जिस
sir.
डायरेक्शन में फोर्स होगा, in whatever
sir.
direction you having the force,
For
it will
force,
get
it will
elongated
be
in that direction. Okay, fine. So fine. So let's move ahead. Fine. So now what happens? Suppose you have a system, right? You have a plus minus, right? You have n number of system, right? You have n number of such molecules.
Yes.
We will also discuss what are these polar molecules and non-polar molecules. Okay. Fine. Now, if I apply the electric field, apply the electric field, right?
Yeah.
So what will happen? Molecules won't leave their position. Okay. Don't say that suppose I'm having a positive source over here, right?
Mhm.
It is not so that this molecules, this entire blue color body, right? It will shift to this position. It is not, right? It will lie at its own position only. Only thing is that its configuration will change. And configuration will be something like this. I will show you. Okay. So our configuration will be, so you will have negative over here, positive over here, negative over here, positive over here,
Yes.
negative, positive, negative, positive.
Positive.
Right? That.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. This is one thing. Okay. Now, why it is negative, positive, and it is not? I have not drawn positive, negative over here, right? Because if you see, you have an interaction between these two bodies also.
Yes, sir.
Right, so positive and positive will repel, so
Repel.
obviously this is not possible, so positive
Yes,
and negative will attract each other. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
This is one thing. Okay, now
Yes, sir. Yes.
now this property, right, this property of dielectric, now let's come to the main point now, that what you actually called as dielectric, right? That
Yes,
means
sir.
how strongly these positive and negative charges, right, that were actually not aligned in the sense,
Yes.
suppose I say that it was something like this, plus minus, then you have something like this, minus plus, plus minus, this way. Okay, now they
Okay,
are
sir.
not aligned in a particular direction, right? But in the presence of external field, right, they
Yes,
are
sir.
actually getting aligned to the same direction as mentioned in this particular figure,
Direction.
right?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So fine. So there can be two types of, okay, before that let's understand what is now the exact dielectric definition, or you say that dielectric material, right?
Material.
Dielectric
Material.
material or dielectric property. Okay. So I will just simply, in the layman language, you should understand that
Yes,
if
sir.
you have separation of charges,
Yes, sir.
if you have separation of
Separation of
charges,
charges.
right? So,
Yes, sir.
right. So whenever you have separation of charges, that means there is an electric field,
Yes, sir.
right? Because you have plus to minus. You have electric field from the plus
Plus
to
to
minus
minus.
direction, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, and if you take another example where there is no separation, so obviously electric field is
Plus.
equal to 0, right? And here electric field is not equal to 0 because the charges have been separated. Okay,
sir.
fine. So this particular molecule or this particular system of plus and minus, they are having their own electric field. That is one
Yes, sir.
thing. Okay. Now, if I place, right, so let's say again you have an electric field in this direction, right? I call this as E external,
Yes, sir.
right? And now I'm placing, right? Now I'm placing a positive and the negative, right? I'm
Yes, sir.
placing a already created dipole. That means
Dipole.
plus and minus charge are separated.
Minus.
Okay. So that means now what will happen? This
Yes, sir.
positive charge and this negative charge, and because my electric field, external electric field is from left hand side to right hand side, so that
Right
means
hand
I'll be
side.
having a positive charge over here,
Yes, sir.
right? So that means this positive and this positive interaction will be repulsive,
Mm.
right? Okay, so that means this will be pushed towards this side. This positive charge will push towards the
Will
right
post
hand
to
side.
the right
So
side.
my new configuration will be minus and plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus and plus. Okay,
Mm.
so now what will happen, that this positive and negative now induce internal electric field will be from right hand side to left hand side,
Yes, sir.
right?
Mm.
Internal electric field of this molecule will be from plus to minus, that is right hand side to left hand side. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so suppose you have n number of molecules, right? So suppose you
Yes,
draw
sir.
n number of molecules, right?
Molecules
So all these molecules will be having a direction from
to right to left.
right to left. Okay, fine. So I will name this as E internal, right? Or ED, E dipole, electric field of dipole,
Yes.
right? Both are on the opposite direction. So I can write E external,
Null
right?
minus
Minus ED, right? Now this can be equal to 0 or cannot be equal to 0, that we will see. Okay. Basically, it is not equal to
yes,
0,
sir.
or you can say that external electric field and induced or the dipole electric field, they both are not equal. They
Yes,
are
sir.
opposite, but they are not equal in magnitude.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what happens is, so this is the first molecule, this is second molecule, third molecule, and fourth molecule. So you have n number of molecules. So I can say that electric field or dipole electric field of first molecule plus dipole electric field of second molecule, and so on, right? So n number of molecules, you will have n, right? Or you can simply write E d I, right? I is equal to 1 to n,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Fine. So that
Mm.
means your system, your material, right? It has generated its own electric field. The
Field.
dipole has generated its own
Own
electric field,
electric field.
and this electric field, this ED is opposite, is opposite to external electric field.
Field.
Okay, so that means this will try to cancel out, this ED will
And
try to cancel out the effect of E external.
external.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
or you can say that this is generated because of a net
Yes, sir.
dipole moment,
Oh,
right? Net dipole moment,
release. Yes, sir.
right? Okay, fine. So now, in the absence of any external field, right? If you don't have any external field,
Yes,
right?
sir.
These dipoles, right? These dipoles will again be getting separated or oriented in an arbitrary way, right? So they
Yes,
will
sir.
be oriented this way, then they will be oriented this way, they can be oriented
Yes,
this
sir.
way, right? Okay, so they will again lose their dipole moments, right? And this is
Yes, sir.
because of the thermal energy. And
Thermal.
you will say that total dipole moment
Yes, sir. Equal to
is 0 when there is no external field.
field.
ओके, ठीक है। अच्छा, वो क्यों? क्योंकि भाई ये बोलते हैं इसका ये डायरेक्शन में हो गया, इसका ये डायरेक्शन में हो गया, इसका ये
Yes,
डायरेक्शन
sir.
में हो गया। सो E1 plus E2 plus E3, so if you take all the vector components, right, x component in together and y component together, it will all come to 0.
Yes.
Okay, so this is actually called as polarization.
Yes.
Polarization, that means alignment of the positive and the
So,
negative charges, right,
yes,
in the presence of external field,
field.
right? तो ये सारा जो अलाइन हो जा रहा है ना एक डायरेक्शन में, इसके पहले वाले स्लाइड में हमने देखा जो, राइट? So what
Yes,
will
sir.
happen? That is called as polarization of a dielectric material. That is
Yes,
called as polarization of a dielectric material. Okay, fine. Now we will see the next thing in this. Okay. Now I'll just quickly tell you what are actually polar and non-polar, because this is actually always given in examples. So this is also important. Polar
yes,
and
sir.
non-polar.
Non-polar.
So I have already given the example, but I have not named them. So when polar, you say that if you have positive and the negative charges being separated, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you call those molecules as polar molecules. And if you have positive and negative charges at the same place, right? So that time you will say they are actually non-polar.
Yes, sir.
For example, hydrogen, nitrogen, these
Frozen.
are all
Non-polar.
non-polar, right?
Non-polar.
Whereas if you say HCl, KCl, right?
Yes, sir.
These are all
Polar.
what? These are always polar
Polar
molecules.
molecule.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So just to conclude this section, I will say that if you have a non-polar molecule,
Yes, sir.
right? Fine. So you have P that is equal to Q into D, that is equal to 0,
P
right?
into
So
Q is 0.
dipole moment is 0. Okay. Now, when you place it in
Yes,
the
sir.
external magnetic field, or sorry, external electric field, right?
Field.
So negative charge will be pulled towards this and positive will be
Which are
thrown away. So your new alignment will be something like this, negative and
equal
positive,
to 0.
right? So now
Yes.
this charge has been separated by some distance. So this is called as
Alright.
induced dipole
Yes.
moment. Induced dipole
Apple.
moment. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So n number of molecules will be there. You will have more dipole moment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can say that in either case, right, whether there is polar or non-polar, a dielectric material will develop
Yes.
a net dipole moment,
Yes,
right?
sir.
It will have a net dipole moment,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
in the presence of external field. Okay.
Mm.
And this dipole moment, that is P, small p or capital P, this dipole moment per unit volume. So you can say that because you
Yes,
have a
sir.
material, right? Material, suppose you have a 3D material, three-dimensional,
Mm.
right? So this
Yes.
will have a volume, right? So you will say that number of dipoles or number of dipole moment, total dipole moment, total
That
dipole moment,
moment.
right? That is equal to, right, total dipole moment
Moment.
per unit volume. So if I
Yes,
say
sir.
that this is the volume, इस वॉल्यूम में मेरा कितने नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं वो उनमें चार्ज सेपरेशन हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is actually called as polarization.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Polarization.
sir.
Okay, fine. So
Okay.
just to again, the definitions will be the dipole moment or the net
Moment
dipole
upon
moment
volume equal
per
to
unit volume is called as polarization. And
polarization.
this is denoted as or represented as P, that is equal to chi into E. This is called as chi.
I
Okay.
into E.
This is actually a material property. Okay. Or
Material
you can say that yes, this is called as
material property.
susceptibility. इसका
Yes, sir.
नाम है
Mm.
susceptibility.
With
Okay, susceptibility of a given medium,
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
medium, right? So basically, susceptibility is what, right? It says that how much electric
Um,
field, how much external electric field
this way.
can a body allow to penetrate within itself,
Yes, sir.
right? What is susceptibility?
How much Susceptibility
Yes,
is
how? So susceptibility chi that actually defines or it
yes,
says that how much
much.
electric field, right,
Yes, sir.
can, how
Can
much electric field can be permitted
permitted
within a body,
body.
right? Or in other words, you can also say that this is electric susceptibility because we are talking about
Yes.
charges, right? Okay, so up to what level, up to what strength can an external field,
Yes,
right,
sir.
external electric field
Field.
be applied, right, to any dielectric material that will cause polarization.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
sir.
So it is basically a strength.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Apart from this, fine. So in this, yes, that is enough to understand. Okay. Because now we will go ahead with the next topic, then we will actually understand. Okay. Now, why it is important? Because see, for example, mm, you have seen that iron to like वो कपड़ा प्रेस करने वाला iron,
Yes, sir.
right? When we actually use mica sheet on its base. उसके नीचे अंदर ना जो हमारे जो जो गर्म होता
Yes,
है
sir.
उसके ऊपर ना हम एक पुट्ठे जैसा, एक कार्डबोर्ड जैसा हम एक प्लेट लगाते हैं जिसको हम एक्चुअली बोलते हैं माइका शीट. Okay,
Mica, sir.
basically that is an insulator, but that is a good thermal conductor.
Okay, sir. Nice.
Okay, okay. Mm, okay, with this like we are ending this topic. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then fine. So I'm stopping over here. Okay.
Mhm.
Mm,